For many businesses, it's not a question of if a customer accident will happen. It's a question of when. One small slip, one spilled coffee, one unexpected moment. Will you be prepared when it happens? Even if you're careful, you can't control every customer's action or every possible hazard. A single accident, whether it's a trip, a fall, or a damage to someone's property, could lead to expensive claims that threaten your entire business if you're not protected. That's where Next Insurance comes in. Their general liability insurance covers customer injuries, property damage, legal defense costs, and potential settlements. And here's the best part, you can get fully insured online in just minutes, with no complicated paperwork or long phone calls. Simply answer a few questions, choose your coverage, and you're protected. Post visible safety signage and keep walkways clear. These small steps can reduce risk and also strengthen your defense if a claim is ever filed. Don't take chances with your business. Get peace of mind today. Click the link in the description to get next insurance quote and be ready before when happens.